Okay, so I don't know if you've seen this or not. This is my new phone. And it looks like this. And I'm actually getting a phone call right now. What do you want? I'm filming a video. There's not enough light inside. I'm coming soon. I love you. Goodbye. Anyway, this is my BlackBerry. Well, before I had my BlackBerry, I had this really weird black phone. Oh, here it is! Here's my black phone. It's a Samsung. It was pretty awesome. And before that, I had this. It's my first ever cell phone, and it's totally awesome looking. I had this like little gemmed out thing here. Anyways, the point is, we're gonna play Guess That Ringtone. Okay? I have like 50 of these, you're forewarned. This is number 2. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Seven. Number 8. This happens to be one of my favorite ones ever. 9. 10. 11. 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. Two. 3. 24. Number 25. Number 26. Yeah, this is just a plain ringer. 27. Number 28. Number 29. Number 31. Number 32. 34. Number 35. Lied. Number 36. Number 37. This happens to be one of my favorites. So I'm going to let it play long. I think that's it. It is! So, here's what you do. If you can guess all 38, then I will send you something cool in the mail. If you can get at least half, then I will also send you something cool in the mail. The first person to send me 38 correct guesses for 38 ringtones is the winner. But I don't want you to put it in the comments. You can guess around in the comments, but in order to win, you have to send me a private message. Send me a little private memo, because otherwise people will just look at your answers and, you know, then that won't be any fun, because you won't get the credit for it. So, send me your 38 correct guesses or what have you, and I will send you something awesome in the mail. My screen is smashed. That's why I ended up getting a new phone. So, I have no way of getting these ringtones off of here. I just thought it would be kind of cool if we played this. Yes, I know what they all are. You'd be amazed. And how did I get into my ringtone screen? Well, let's just say I screwed around a lot with ringtones when I was younger. So those are the 38 ringtones I had when I was in grade 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, hit me back. Maybe you'll win something awesome. It won't be anything expensive, but it'll be awesome nevertheless. Alrighty? Sounds good to me. If there's any ringtone you want to hear longer clip of, let me know. I'll do a longer clip video. Alright guys, happy guessing. See you around.